This is an unboxing video for the Equaliser selection box from Standard Fireworks. It's a 14-piece selection of which it has 11 fountains, 2 shot tubes and 1 Roman candle. It's a category 2 box, so it has an 8-meter safety distance. The total NEC is 142 grams. It's classed as high noise. There are some crackling pieces in here, and there's also a couple of shot tubes as well. And it's a 1.4 GFX box. So this is designed for the smaller garden. So we'll have a look inside. We've got a fireworks safety instruction sheet there. And then inside, I'll start with the smaller pieces. So we've got the space fountain there, 5 gram NEC. I always prefer to start with the smaller pieces. We've got dual 5 grams NEC. And working our way up, diamond, 5 gram. Rutile, another 5 gram NEC. Working our way up, we've got a classic here, Will-o'-the-Wisp. That's been in standard boxes as long as I can remember. It's been in different shapes and sizes over the years. It's a lovely little fountain. And that is 12 grams. We have another one there, Stardust, 12 gram NEC. And then we've got a box fountain here, Crackle Ray, 14 grams, so we're working our way up now. Got this nice one here, Night Tide, that's 18 grams NEC. You can have a look inside. So it's just a singular fountain that you light manually. And then we've got this one here. Exotic, is it Exotic? 18 grams NEC. Again, show you inside. Just a single fountain in the middle. Just remember, if it's windy, to secure these to the base, because they do have a tendency to fall over. We've got another smaller one here, Delight, 5 grams NEC. And then we've got the big pieces. We've got Moonfall, that's quite a nice Roman candle. 6 grams NEC, and it's 5 shots in total. And then I would probably put these at the end personally, because these will be the biggest breaks in the box. So you've got a xenon shot tube, it'll be a single shot, 16 grams. And obviously it's got a stake here if you're putting it into the lawn or wherever. Just make sure it's secure and you've got it buried, because these are quite powerful. And then the last one here, Stardrome, Cat 2, 16 grams. And you also get a little lighting stick as well. Nice to see that they still do those. So just like the one end, and attach it to your fuses. It should last the duration of the box. So there you have it. That is the contents of the Equaliser selection box from Standard Fireworks.